everyone. There will be tutorials later. Check out previous videos. I feel like I have changed a lot and made a lot of progress. There are more than 800 fans who have always been with me. I haven't canceled it in the few months since I quit. Really touched. Because I am a little scumbag and I don't know how to color. Forgive me for not being able to draw her beauty. Tutorial starts soon. Determine the position of the drawing first. Take out the round piece from the hole punch and cut it into smaller pieces. The company can do that. Final seal. Do all the drawings in this way. Come and enjoy it. Each sheet shows the family members. Who knows? I really want to show off. I have to draw manuscripts every day and die. Lesson sheet showing drawing a boy for the first time. Not very good at painting. Picture after completion. Personally, I'm quite satisfied. This order is expedited, so 40. Ordinary is 30. The appointment is full now. I will send a video to say goodbye when I start the manuscript. Lesson display. You can do it after buying a speed plane. All done on weekends. I also bought a lot of new materials. The quality will also get better. Please make an appointment with the owner later and wait patiently. Hey, impermanence is here again. This sister is so cute. Why doesn't anyone ask me to write? Already very cheap. I can no longer support myself despite impermanence. There is only one more piece of VX and it really makes me cry to death. Don't worry, everyone. I want to make an appointment at the Taishing home court. I will continue to accept it. No more goodbye. The course list shows the whole body of the producer 30, half body 20, complex will add 1 minus 5. Can be customized using measuring feet. What I want is private. Free reimbursement. Bye bye.